Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the top mistakes to avoid when starting your van life journey. Let's make sure you're well prepared for this exciting adventure. We are Xavier and Caroline, and we toured Europe for 2 years in a motorhome, all while working and earning a living. During this trip we gained experience and some tips to both discover countries but also earn enough money to protect ourselves from the future. So don't hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel, but also to our other networks where we provide free useful content on van life and digital nomadism. And now let's go back to our content. Have you ever wondered why it's crucial to test the van before you buy it? First up, not testing the van before purchase can lead to a world of trouble. Imagine driving off with your new van, only to find out that it has major mechanical issues. Taking the van for a thorough test drive can save you from unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs down the road. But what about van maintenance? Why is it so important? Ignoring van maintenance is a big mistake. Regular checkups and servicing keep your van running smoothly and safely. Skipping maintenance can lead to serious problems, putting both your journey and your safety at risk. So, make it a habit to stay on top of your van's maintenance schedule. Have you ever considered doing a van life test run before fully committing? Not doing a van life test run is another common mistake. A short trial run helps you understand the lifestyle, identify any potential issues with your setup, and adjust your plans accordingly. It's better to discover what works and what doesn't before you're fully immersed in van life. Why is connectivity so vital on the road? Underestimating the importance of connectivity can lead to frustration and isolation. Reliable internet access is essential for navigation, staying in touch with loved ones, and even working remotely. Plan for strong and consistent connectivity to make your van life experience smooth and enjoyable. Ever thought about the importance of proper insulation in your van? Neglecting van insulation can make your living space uncomfortable. Good insulation helps regulate the temperature inside your van, keeping it cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Invest in quality insulation materials to ensure your van is a cozy haven, no matter the weather outside. Did you know leaving the water tank valve open can cause problems? Leaving the water tank valve open is a mistake that can lead to leaks and water damage. Always double-check that your water tank valve is closed when not in use. This simple step can prevent a lot of headaches and keep your van in top condition. How important is it to understand your van's plumbing system? Not understanding the plumbing system can cause significant issues. Familiarize yourself with how it works to prevent leaks, blockages, and other problems. A well-maintained plumbing system is essential for a hassle-free van life experience. And finally, how crucial is van security? Neglecting van security is a mistake you can't afford to make. Investing in good locks, an alarm system, and being mindful of where you park can protect your home on wheels from theft and break-ins. Prioritize security to keep your belongings safe and give yourself peace of mind. To sum up, avoiding these common mistakes can make your van life journey much smoother and more enjoyable. Remember to test your van, stay on top of maintenance, do a test run, ensure good connectivity, invest in insulation, manage your water system carefully, understand your plumbing, and prioritize security. Thanks for tuning in, and happy travels. If you'd like to know more about the ideal size of van for a road trip in Europe, don't hesitate to watch this video, but also to subscribe and encourage us by commenting. See you soon, travelers!